guys, it's John, your host with Hook to Hunt. Hey, we're excited to announce that we have some great hunts coming up in the next couple weeks. Our first one starts with our good buddy Hawkeye, as he starts his 2020 hunting season out after some eastern gobblers over here in eastern Iowa. This is the first hunt of many that we're going to get from Hawkeye, so we hope you enjoy them. And we're going to head over to Hawkeye and start the hunt.
Today marks the official start to my turkey season. Middle of April, my favorite time of the year. And boy, we're going to go out and try and roost some birds and get on early in the morning tomorrow and try and get a nice tag out here in Iowa to start off the 2020 turkey season. Now, I know all this COVID stuff's got you down, but for us hunters, it's business as usual. A little bummed out we can't travel like we used to, but we're going to make do locally and keep going after that delicious wild game. All right, folks, Hawkeye, bring it to you live in Northeast Iowa. We're here, middle of April, second season. We're gonna go roost some birds for tomorrow's opening day of second season here in Iowa. Hopefully we find a bunch. Turkey population's been hitting pretty low this year, but I got faith that this spot's always paid dividends for me, and hopefully it continues to do the same here. So, without further ado, let's get this 2020 season underway. We'll get to our sit-down spot and just listen and see what we hear. Well, we just arrived to the spot where we're gonna set up camp, just do a little reconnaissance, see what we got in the area. So far I haven't seen anything, lots of deer out tonight. This is the warmest right now than it's been all day, so I'd imagine those birds are gonna go to bed hot. Should hear a lot of gobbling tonight. If they're here. Please let them be here, Lord. Please. So, definitely heard a couple birds fly up. Just heard I had to do some clucking. I just checked the weather, it's supposed to snow an inch tonight. I don't like typical hunting in the snow last year too here. Just over this. Could be a pretty hot morning. So I don't know if you guys heard that. Got 2 or 3 to gobble finally. They're about the same spot they were last year this time. Guess all I can do is come in the morning, set up, and try and calm down to me. It's supposed to snow an inch tonight though. So bleh. Scouting complete. I'm out of here. Their birds are here. So as you can see, we got quite a bit of birds. A lot more than I heard yesterday. This could be good. Lots of toms around us. See if we can get it to come down here. Boy, they ought to be flying down soon. Got at least 5 or 6 toms in the area. One to my right, a couple straight ahead, and a few to the left. They'll come down soon. just wait and see. Well, so far the sun has not gone as planned. I swear, I hear one behind me, but I can't see him. Like, getting closer, so maybe he'll show up. But the three ahead across from me sounded like they were working their way towards me. Their heads were still in the tree, though, much to my dismay. And of course, the stupid hens went to the toms and lured them away. Well, basically, I'm gonna sit here until about 9:30, 10 o'clock, and nothing shows up. Done. There's still some birds gobbling around here. Be patient. I can't get them to come out of the woods. The snow's not helping. I'm gonna shut up for a little bit and see if the birds move around. So basically, I'm just sitting here freezing my butt off right now. Just can't have one warm day to turkey hunting. These last couple of springs just been bummers. Anyway, haven't heard anything in a while. Still snowing. Might have to go try the other spot. But I'm gonna give it another half hour, and then I'm out here, back to work. We'll regroup and come up with another plan for tomorrow. Freaking Iowa, man. Feels like summer, I'll never get here. Hawkeye, second season. Oh, the birds are hot this morning. Heard a few roosted just ahead of us. Hopefully they come in and give us a show. About 6 o'clock right now. Let's see what happens here. That's what I'm talking about, folks. Into you live here in Northeast Iowa. Second season Tom down on the ground. It's only 6:05. Bam! So stoked. I can't thank the landowners enough for letting me hunt year after year. Always so accommodating, and I'm always appreciative to them for what they do to conserve our wildlife, and then let us hunters who don't have that luxury of owning land come and hunt for them. So excited. Alright folks, let's go check the bird out. Let's see how big that sucker is. Let's go check him out. Awesome. Now, probably 2-year-old Tom, about 3/4 inch spurs. Oh wow. I think I shot a Jake. Interesting. Got a fan. Really small beard. Didn't look that way when he was coming in. I shot part of it off. Don't look like I did though. Interesting. Double beard. Double beard. Definitely not a Jake, just short stubby beard. I don't know, maybe something happened to him. I'm trying to grow it back. Definitely a Tom though. Beautiful tail fan. Beautiful, beautiful eastern here in northeast Iowa. I'm happy with this bird, happy to be tagged out. Now I wait till 4th season, then off to Kansas. Let's pack up, get out of here, tag this bird. Get her done. That's how we do it. So, finally made the long walk back. I'm definitely out of shape. That or just carry more and more stuff from the other year. We got a beautiful eastern down here in Iowa. Couldn't be happier. You know, there's meat on the table. Can't wait to turn this thing into something nice and delectable. Yeah. But this morning it was like clockwork. Came in right on the string. This nice 24-pound Tom. Hope all your other hunters are having success out there. This is Hawkeye. Look forward to our next adventure.
Guys, we hope you enjoyed our hunt with Hawkeye as he chased his 2020 bird down. If you guys like the material that you're seeing, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We want to keep putting material out that you guys like to see. So if you have any suggestions for us, drop them in the comments below. Let us know. Check us out on Facebook. We do put a lot of postings on Facebook that don't get released to YouTube. So check us out. And thanks again, guys. Look forward to seeing you on the next episode.